can you imagine if there was a fire on and every fireman that was on the fire truck jumped off to deal with the fire and they have this frog hat on? Huh?
Yep.
Yeah, I got short hair.
Yep.
I don't have to have a frog hat on that covers my ears and I'm walking in thinking he's doing it for my entertainment, I know that, and I'm happy with that, right? But show your community that you're part of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh? Yeah, this is, we're going to educate this one and hopefully make an example for others. Yeah, because we know it's not just an addiction, but yeah, the addiction of no respect. No respect for the community, no respect. When someone's fallen down, they need to see if they can help pick them up. They've been ripping me off for 8 years. And they're looking at me as if, well, why should I support that guy? Well, they sucked every bit of blood out of me. They should be. Yeah, this is the community that should be. Just like I've done this because I took away. Yeah, I'm saying, hey, you guys took it away from me. You should be helping me. Especially because we're doing something good for the community. We want to put a light on this community, not take it away. And I tell you, my attitude right now is that, hey, we're in marketing. We're going to show them. I'm going to invest $500,000. So that's what they take away from me in marketing them. And when they start pushing the go button or the button on GoFundMe, I'm going to change my marketing strategy from the negative to the positive, and hopefully we can have people come to this community thinking, hey, there's a community here. Yeah, that's what they need, to know that there's a community. New skating facility they're putting in and all the rest of the things that the community has to offer. But when they get here, they want to know that that's not all there is. There's got to be a something that holds all of those things in place, and that's community. Yeah, with just the ice arena, that doesn't make a community.
Well, exactly, not just the ice arena, but how many of our schools right now.
Yeah,
Like,
why is it?
We just got a
That's a good subject. Yeah, there's 3 schools going to go down.
Yep.
Why? Because no one's moving here. Yeah, figure it out. Change your ways. Change your attitude to the people that you're offering to come in here. You guys want all the retired people. You got a sign at the end of your gate here saying, oh, it's a good place to retire. Yeah, so you can steal off them. Yeah, because you don't want to help them. If they died and the family said that, hey, I need some help to bury them, you guys don't even want to get together to help that. And we see that. We see a few of those things there's poor people, there's rich people. The rich people have to figure out how they can support that, not just walk away and say, oh, I'm the rich guy, you're the poor guy. Yeah, we're all rich. Yeah, figure it out. It's not just about money.
Yeah.
Big disappointment. We're going to work on it. Hopefully things will change around from the negative to the positive on the community front, right?